Hey, Dylan here in the Tulip Experience Center at Operations Calling 2024. I'm here with a new tech partner, Arduino. Rob.
Hey Dylan, thanks for that introduction. I'm Rob Ponsby from Arduino. I'm our partner sales manager here in the Americas, and we're really excited to be partnering with Tulip. What we're showcasing today is our new micro PLC, which is our Opta PLC. It's right here in the panel, as you'll see. It's a great entry point for customers looking to ingest data into Tulip. Today we're connected to a couple of load cells and a compressor, bringing that data into the Opta and then bringing it into Tulip via a standard MQTT broker. What's really unique about our platform is it combines both the PLC IDE, where you can do IEC languages like ladder logic, function block diagrams, but then you also get the flexibility of the Arduino platform, doing custom scripting, C++, as well as Python coding, so that you can really bridge that gap between OT and IoT production. So really excited to be building our partnership and seeing what's possible on the Tulip platform.
Yeah, thanks very much for coming. It was great to put this together with you.